Welcome to Bushnell Design Studio. We'll take you through our design process step by step, from the seed of an idea all the way to the finished product. Discovery. We interview you to gain an understanding of the purpose of your project. For example, increased sales, expanding to new markets, or building your brand or name recognition. Estimate. We'll give you a comprehensive estimate and do not begin a project until we have your written approval. For larger projects, we will develop a timeline for each step. Design. The design process begins with a review of your current designs and your competitors. We collaborate with other personnel if necessary. We collect or develop all assets such as fonts, photos, vector artwork, or copy. And finally, we use everything to develop and create the concepts. Approval. We will send you a proof to review after we complete the first draft. You will send back your feedback with revisions or approval up to 3 rounds. Upon approval of the artwork, we need your written approval to move to production. Production. Once the artwork is approved, it goes to production, goes live, is screen printed, embroidered, etc. You will be given an ETA for project completion. Delivery. Your project is complete and delivered to you. We want you to have a happy, stress-free experience, so however we can accommodate you, we will.